Hello, everyone. My name is Sandy, and I want to ask you today one simple question. Why a lot of people say water is just water? Are they equal, or water is not equal? And can anyone can tell me what is the answer? Is it water equal or not equal? Do you know the answer? I know my answer, but we don't. How come we don't come forward and to, answer the questions that you got in your head, right? Like water, just water. Water are not equal. That is my in my dictionary. And why do I say that? Because the water can make into liquid, liquid can turn into soda, and soda or another water that made by human is called man-made. Man-made turn into wine, turn to hard liquor. And what the hard liquor turn, when you're drinking too much of the amount of liquor, what did they give you? Do you get drunk? You see that. So if you drink the water from the plastic bottle company, what do they give it to you? Nothing will harm you, just one bottle, and sometimes it's okay. But do you want to put your money that you've been chasing to go work, get up early and spending? For me, that I don't want to spend any lies. I don't want to invest in anyone that lies to me, not even a penny. Do you know why? Because our life is worth it. Our life is looking for someone to be honest. And the money we spend, it has to be make sense. Because we are the parent. We gotta protect every penny we make. You know why? Because those company, they put poison. They invest in sickness, disease in our life for a long term of drinking, like invest. So you think that why are everyone around the world think that the plastic bottle is more safer than the tap water? But do you know that the tap water is more safe? But the thing is, the tap water has too many chlorines, all the stuff like that, because the city wants to remove all this bacteria. But those water company that they giving you the dead water, and where's they pump the water? They took the water from all the ground, from the city, and the water is free from nature. And why do we have to pay for those company to drink our nature? The water is from God given to us, right? And why are we doing that? Because we don't do our own research and get our knowledge and take control from that. We invest in those liar, cold-blooded, bloodsucker vampire company that the more we spend on the water for the company, they laughing us from behind, and they make billions of dollars. And what do we get? We all get weaker, we suffering disease, and we get cancer. That is all dead end for our life. And today, that's why am I saying that? Because I'm a victim of the pesticide, of the, Roundup, all those things is, they related to orange agents poisoning that I born in those area. And I was born with birth defect from the orange agent, and that is the instrument that got me involved and get me to commitment to my journey. And my journey is today that I want to share, and I want to bring out my message and help many parents to step up and help me this movement that we are the parent. We need to support each other parents. And it's amazing things to do it. It makes us feel good. As a parent, we do look out for other parents and other kids that they deserve to have a good life like our kids. And I want to share part of what I got, and I want to, to unfold the truth of a dirty game, a dirty secret from those ugly companies that been treating us like puppets that we spend our money. Instead of save every penny worth for your kids. Give your kids the money that you think that is only $1.50, but you put it in a jar, the piggy bank. That's the worth every moment that you want to do. Because I'm the parent, I've stopped all that stupid, ridiculous, invest in those companies like that. But what do I get? Nothing. And I take that action to be very serious. And I focus, I move forward. I'm not going backward. I want my message to bring out public. And every business, women, men, anyone that on the business, entrepreneur, any different market that, what do we want? We want our health to stay on top, advance, so we can be there for our customer. And what do we want for us in return? We want us to have a good health and focus in our work, so we can bring we can give better life for our family. And we provide, we bring food home. We give them good shelter, good water. And we want our family to stay home when we are far away from work, that they have something that we know that they are safe. They don't have to fight for water. They don't have to do anything to risk their life in any second, because we are the guardian and we need to protect our family. That is the important thing as a parent that I'm doing today. And I hope you please join. Please contact me. I'm always here and I'm always open. Anything that I know that is for you is meant for me. And for we together, we will save our planet, our community. I'm not a Superman. I'm not a Superwoman. But as long as I have this thought, this commitment, this passion, mission before commission, that's all matter to me. Please step up, learn, give yourself some knowledge about the water that you've been drinking, and how do you stop chemical in your family environment, and how do you start washing the clothes without chemical, how to stop all this plastic use in your life, and how to invest in the right unit and save money from getting sick, visit doctor, all this ridiculous stuff. Believe me, I'm not lying. You can try out a month with me or with anyone on in this company that work like me. I believe that you will unlock all this negative about this water unit and the company. It's only because you not even try it hard enough to open your message to us. Contact us, please. I'm here for you, and I'm open my heart to serve your needs, and I'm here for you. Whatever I know from my educate in this company, I will share from day one to your goal, success in here. Because without you coming to us, we were not going to be here. Thank you. And God bless you. And I love you. I'm waiting for any other brother and sister to move forward and to join my mission. This is humanity. We serve for God's children. That is our home. Earth is our home. And human is our brother and sister. We're not anything different. But once we lost our health, it means we lost completely in our life, our dreams, our goal, our every activity in our life. We suffering in our bed. And what we gave to our family, debts, financial debt, they're suffering because of our ignorance that we let it go. The valuable information, like what I'm sharing to you, is very valuable for every life on earth. We need to take control. We need to step up and be the solution in our life and help our family to understand, help them some little bit knowledge about what kind of water you've been invest in drinking, and how much sugar that you add into your body. That's right. A part of my job, and I'm proud of myself, and I'm always open to share. You can bring all this brand of water, different water brand in your home that you think is good and healthy. Bring it to me. I can do the water demo and help you to unlock all this dirty secrets of those company. Okay? Thank you, and God bless you. And I'm